In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use the while loop, which is what we call a pretest loop. Unlike the previous loop, which was just a repeat loop, which repeats a process until it's finished, a while loop will test a condition before it finishes. So for example, here, I want to create a loop that will keep continuing destroying these blocks until there's no more blocks in front of it. So the way we do this is I hit C on the keyboard. I have some code that's been previously created where I've teleported the agent to the location. So please look at my tutorial on how to do teleport if you don't know how to do that. Then we go to the loops, which is the dark green section. We've done the repeat block already. We're going to look at the while loop. So if I drag that in, drop it here. Now there's two types of conditions we're going to have, while something's true or while something's false. Today, we're going to look at how things are true. So you could have while condition is false, so not existing, but we're doing why something exists. Then what we can do is under the different sections, such as agent, you look for the sort of diamond-shaped blocks, and these are our conditions. So this is agent detect block, and then you can change its dynamics. So what we do is we just drag it on top. I want the agent to detect abnormal block, and I want to detect it going forward. But as you can see here, I can change it in different ways. So this would be really useful for challenge 3, where you have to go through the maze. You might want to see if not you can detect the block up or down. So what we want to do is we want to get the agent to detect if there's a block in front. If so, destroy it, then move forward. So all the stuff is through the agent. We go to the agent actions. So agent destroy forward. And then after it destroys it, we need the agent to move forward and then test again to see if there's another block in front of it. So we go back to the agent move forward by 1. Now, when I press play, it's going to see if there's a block in front of it. If so, destroy it, move forward, and it'll keep going through until it detects no more blocks in front of it. So let's press play. Okay, so it's moving forward now, destroying the blocks, and then it stops at the end because there's no more blocks in front of it. So my advice is that where possible, try to use the while blocks. They have the conditions, which makes it a little bit more accurate to control. The repeat blocks are great if you know something has a certain length. So maybe you want to move 10 steps forward, but the while condition is great because we can test whether something is true in the world and then stop based on that. If you have any more questions about Minecraft, please look at my other videos.